to Levon's Divine Touch. Today I'm going to talk about this kettle. So this is a tea kettle that I got from Walmart. I believe it was like $14. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can use this for when you have extremely long braids or when you're a mobile hairstylist and you need to boil some hot water to dip the braids in oil and water. This thing literally warms up in like 2.5 seconds. So I just want to show you guys what comes in it. So you have this. It's where you put the water in. Open it. I mean, it gets like extremely hot really fast. And you plug this into the wall and then you just set this on top of it. You press this down and this will turn to a certain color while it's warming up. And I just want to go over the directions. You guys can see the box. So there's 15 features to it. So you have the lid handle, the handle, the on and off switch, which is that little, this switch right here. You push it down for on, push it up for off. Make it hot really fast, remember that. The electrical contacts, which is the bottom part, and then you have the power cord with the plug, power cord outlet, cord storage, base unit, kettle, heating element, water level, marketing, spout, water filter holder, and water filter. You guys could just see that. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the Mainstays tea kettle, and it's plastic. Have a great day.